let me win. But if I cannot win, let me be brave in an attempt.
Hi, I'm Bobby Osborne. I'm here today about the Dream Ride for Special Olympics. It's a fundraiser for Special Olympics to have fun. Today's the biggest dream ride of ever.
Saturday night I was able to give an athlete a ride in a 458 Spider, and he was the happiest guy on the face of this earth, but what he doesn't realize is that he made me the happiest person that night.
And just watching these kids get happy, and it was very exciting for us and very touching.
This is a big day for all of us, and I love Dream Ride.
$520,000, over $500,000.